much water should I drink in a day for hair growth? Thirsting for a natural way to grow your hair? Simple. Drink more water. Keeping hydrated with water improves skin appearance, boosts brain function, aids in digestion and weight loss, and yes, helps your hair grow. The age-old question, how much water should I drink in a day, is often and automatically answered with 8 glasses or 2 liters a day. Scientists and physicians, however, say it really all depends on your body type, activity, and health. While 8 glasses can be a good benchmark, one report found that the majority of people are drinking an average of 2.5 cups a day with no real negative consequences. Essentially, drinking enough water allows every system in the body to function properly, and since we are made up of about 70% water, it's best to gulp generously. From skin to scalp, water offers us an easy and natural way to up our beauty game, especially when it comes to growing hair, keeping the scalp healthy and maintaining a luscious, touchable texture. In fact, water accounts for almost 25% of the weight of a single strand of hair. Are you hydrating enough? Turns out, the secret to luscious, long locks is 1 or 2 glasses away. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.